Hello friends, it's Tory from Body Vera Fitness, and today we're going to do a ballet-inspired posture workout. You're not going to need any hand weights, or hand weights are optional. I was contemplating whether or not I should use them today, but ballet arms are very intense on their own, so I figured I'm just going to do it without it. But before we get started, let's go ahead and check our posture together. Let's find your neutral pelvis, making sure that your hip bones are in line with your pubic bone and you're not overarching or tucking your butt underneath. Little curve in the low back is neutral. Tuck in the rib cage, shoulders back, and head is back as well. Hold your posture there for the whole workout and you're gonna be good. Let's go ahead and start the timer. Okay, so we're gonna start with our body bouncing. So just parallel position, letting your body bounce up and down. Your shoulders are gonna drop with you. Good, just nice and relaxed into this motion, or be nice and relaxed in this motion. Just for a couple more seconds, and then we're gonna start our spinal swings. Okay, so here we go. We're just gonna do a nice rotation of the chest. Keep your hips facing forward the whole time, and your core is also engaged. You're looking straight forward at me. Yes, keep going. Make sure that you're getting a little bit of a bounce in the knee, and then swing, and a swing, bounce, swing. Good, making sure that your core is tight here. Good, get that nice motion through the spine. All right, now we're gonna do our spinal protraction and retraction. So lock the fingers together, curve your spine forward, let your shoulders slide forward, flip the palms up, and we're gonna open up the chest. 3, 2, 1, and then again. Curve it forward, flex, open up the chest, and flex, or open 1, 2, and 3. Good, lock the fingers in, slide it forward, and we open. 2, 3. We're opening up the chest so that your shoulders are able to sit back where they belong, and that your pecs are not holding them forward in that kind of, oh, we're to the side, by the way. Side, and we go 1, 2, 3, other side. Lock it in. We go for a 3, 2, 1. Let's go one more on each side from here. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And last one. So one thing I noticed is when I film videos, I always eat some like huge sandwich before I film. And so my stomach is like turning while I work out with you, and I'm a little bit bloated, but you know what? That's not the point of this. Tuck it in and release. Like, your body is not gonna look perfect all day long. Inhale and press. My body looks like I want it to look probably until I eat my first meal of the day. So bad. Good, one more. All right, relax from there. We're going to do a side bend. So arms are gonna go out to the side. We're just gonna tilt into a nice airplane bend, and then other way. Good. Making sure to feel a nice stretch in your side, and then keep those shoulders facing front. Good, so your arms should be able to kind of move down and touch your knee, and up and over. Good, one more on each side, and then we're gonna go into our actual workouts. All right, so we're gonna get started with our grand plie in 1.5 position, so in between both. We're gonna do a nice grand plie. So let's open the arms and close. Well, in between a grand and a demi. So opening the arms to second position and close to first. Good, so check in with your posture here, making sure that your head is pulled back. By the way, we're doing 35 seconds on and 25 seconds off. Good, keep going, and open. Keep those knees tracking in line with the second toes. Why do I already feel this all over? And open, and close. All right, we're gonna move on to our parallel squats with your arms in first and second position too. So we're here, parallel position. Make sure that your knees are tracking in line with the toes. We do not want this to happen, so check in with your knees, okay? Neutral pelvis, we're doing our regular squats. Okay, arms are gonna start in first position. Gonna face diagonally. Ready? Open and close. Make sure at the top, your hips aren't overarched. So you really wanna pull the butt in and up to that neutral position that we just set up before getting started. Tuck that rib cage in and make sure your neck isn't crunching up. Leave space under your chin, but you're also looking down while you're hinged forward. Good, open wide. Shoulders squeeze behind you and not too much. Good, open and close. Ooh, I feel it. Do you feel it? And open and close. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our first position releves with hands on your shoulders. Okay, so we're here, first position. We do not want you to go to 180 degrees. That's just not great for your hips. So you're gonna bring your feet together, open up to about 45 on each side. Hands are gonna go on your shoulders, but make sure that you're not doing this kind of thing. You wanna keep everything pulled and open. Ready? Whew. Lock those abs in. Keep the head pulled back, tuck that chin down. Yes, squeeze your butt. So you're using your external rotators in the hips to keep your knees pointing out to the sides. You should feel your butt here. Mine is burning all the way up and down my leg. You should be feeling it too. Good. And keep those heels right in line with your toes as well. Oh my gosh, this is burning way more than I anticipated. Keep going. Almost done. Okay. Now, we're gonna do our squats with swan arms. So swan arms I like to call these ones. So one arm is kind of by your ear, but let your fingers kind of droop down, and then we come back to first position, and then switch to the other side. My shirt, I always choose this shirt to do arm workouts in, but it's not the best choice. Okay, here we go, ready? Swan arms, and center. Swan arms, and you're gonna look to each corner as you do this. You're squeezing your back. And in, and swing, and a swing. Good, keep it up. Feel that squeezing of the shoulder blade behind you, but making sure that you're keeping an open chest. Good, just like we stretched out before. Yes, and open, and close. Squeeze your butt, find that full neutral slide at the top. Good, one more on each side probably. Good. Okay. Now we're gonna do our fourth position parallel balance. Okay, so did I not leave as, okay, yeah. Okay, sorry. We're gonna be in a fourth position, so just walk forward, keep your feet in line with your hips, and we're just gonna do a nice lift of the heels. We're gonna do about 17 seconds with each side. Ready? Whew. Wow, I am struggling with this one, so keep your weight in the center and really lock everything in so that when your heels lift, nothing changes. It's definitely a challenge to keep your hips facing forward. Good. All right, let's do the other side. Lift and lower, lift. So your body will shift forward as you're lifting onto your toes. Yes, keep the shoulders open, head is back. Good. Squeeze your butt here. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna do our teeter-totter arms as you extend leg back. What? Oh, okay. So sorry, my notes just sometimes never make sense for me. Okay, there's that. Kick that out of the way because I don't want to slide. We're doing these. That's what those are. Okay. Ready, and press, and in, and stretch, and in. So you're keeping your neutral spine. Squeeze your left butt as you do this, and as you lean forward into this stretch, your head is looking down. Lock those abs in. My butt is working on that right side. Scoop all the way to neutral. Good, and scoop to neutral. Good. Nice. I'm dying. Are you? Okay. All right. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Other side in a second. My goodness gracious. Okay, ready? Find your parallel position, arms out in front. Okay, and go. In a second. Press and center. Good, so making sure that your glutes on that standing side are working. As you look down, check in with your knee alignment. If you need to slow down, to catch your balance, go for it. You can also keep your hands on your hips. Slide it in. Scoop the abs in. Feel that nice zipping sensation. Good. Just a few more seconds, guys. Gonna die. Okay. Now we're gonna do our grand plie, second to fifth position. Okay, grand plie, second to fifth. So, second position to fifth position, that's what we're doing with the arms. And you're gonna make sure the knees are pointing out over the toes, okay? Just about 45-degree angle from the feet. And we go. Good. And up. So you want to make sure that this motion is coming from your back. Really feel your back working. Good. Your arms are just an extension of your shoulder blade. I mean, not literally, but that's what I want you to think about. Good. Squeeze those shoulders behind you. Make sure that your pelvis is still in that neutral position. Do not lose that connection or the rib cage. Keep it tucked in. Okay. Next one is warrior two. Come right to the side. Okay. So, warrior two, wide position, turn out one foot, bend the knee over that leg. Just pull my pants up. Okay. Come right to the side. We're just gonna go into this motion. Ready? Up and over, and center, and over. Good. Keep your abs locked in. Your hips are gonna wanna kind of shift out of place, but keep them engaged. Squeeze both butts, and just let your body on top bend over to the side. Good. And up, bend, and center, and bend, and center. I think we can do two more. Sorry, keep that bend in the knee. I lost it. Good, maybe one more. Okay, other side. We turn in that turned out foot and turn the other one out. Lock into this position here. How are you feeling so far? You feel your shoulders nice and open, your head pulled back. Keep that belly button tucked in as you do this next side. Ready? Arms out to the side. Keep your shoulders down and back. Ready, and go. Yes. And bend, press. Perfect. Remember, keep your butt locked in. It's just the upper body doing the work for you. Good. Check in with your feet, both of them. Make sure that your arches are not flattened into the floor. So kind of opening up that space underneath the midfoot by maybe rotating or kind of shifting your weight of the feet to the outsides. Good. And up and over. And I don't know if that made sense, but let me know in the comments if you need some clarification. Good. All right, we are on to our cool down. Nice job. We're gonna do everything standing. I wanted to do stuff on the mat, but that's not gonna happen. I don't wanna move it back. Okay, here we go. We're gonna tuck the abs in, roll forward, and extend the spine. This is our cat-cow. Nice. And extend. Beautiful. Tuck the abs in, roll it forward, and extend it out. Curve it in, and extend. Good. Let's do two more from here. Are you sweating? I am sweating. It might also be hot in here. Good. All right. Now we're gonna do our tail wag, which is still in that kind of hands and knees position, but you're gonna go shoulder to butt, and then other side. Good. Or more like head to butt. Yes. Switch and switch. Perfect. Couple more on each side. Nice. One more each side. All right, round through the spine. Let's just bend your knees and let your body bounce up and down. It looks weird, I know, but trust me, it feels so good. Now swing your body to one side of your leg. Let your body bounce there. Good, other side. Bounce there. Beautiful. All right, let's come back to center. Slowly roll on up through the spine. Round the shoulders back. We're gonna do the spinal or the scapular protraction and retraction again. So lock the fingers together, curve forward, slide the ribs in and forward with our shoulders forward. Flip the palms up. We go 3, 2, 1, and then again. Curve it forward. On those next sets of pulses, let's extend the spine up. So open up the chest to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, and again. While you're doing this, making sure that you're not crunching your neck up. It's a nice open position. So 1, 2, 3. You're lifting up to the ceiling with your chest. Again. Nice. Flip it up. We go 1, 2, 3, and release. Good. Okay, just kind of shake out your hips here. Do little circles. I think my butt is sore from last night, but because I did a little booty thing. But we are done for the day. Good job, everybody. Thank you so much for working out with me. I hope you feel nice and open in the chest, nice and neutral in the hips, and a little bit of, sweat going on. But before we end off with today's video, I just want to say a few words. If your posture is not where you want it to be right now, that is totally fine. Your posture is held up by your fascia, and fascia takes some time to change. But the good thing is it does change. So keep working on these types of workouts with me. Okay, just be patient with your body. It'll happen. Anyway, I love you very much, and I will see you in our next video. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Just DM me. I'm here to answer. Love you. Bye.